Sweet bread is easy, and I'm going to show you a different style of sweet bread, braided orange custard bread rolls. For this recipe I'm using 150 milliliters of fresh orange juice, 1 egg, 80 grams sugar. It depends on the sourness of the orange juice. If you don't want to add any, you can omit sugar from this recipe, and 15 grams corn flour and 15 grams plain flour. So let's do the easiest way. Before we do the bread dough, we need to do this ahead. So add the egg into a pot. Into that add the sugar. Mix well. Slowly add the orange juice bit by bit. Once the sugar dissolves, add the flour, corn flour and plain flour, and mix well. Put a pan on the stove and cook until it's thick. Keep on stirring, don't move. If not, it gets stuck onto the bottom of the pan. Once it starts thickening, keep on stirring until it comes to the correct texture. Reduce the heat and keep stirring. When it holds, it's the correct texture, so take it out. Take 4 pieces of baking paper and divide the mixture onto each baking paper equally. Slowly fold the paper like this into a square shape or round shape. After, put it in the fridge to set. Let's do the dough for the orange custard buns. For this I'm using 210 grams bread flour with 90 to 100 milliliters warm water, depends on the size of the egg white that you are using, 20 grams butter, 15 grams milk powder, 1 egg yolk, and leave the egg yolk for brushing the bread, 4 grams instant dry yeast, and 20 grams sugar. So let's start doing this. Add the bread flour to a mixing bowl. Into that add the sugar, butter, milk powder, yeast, the egg white, and start mixing it about a minute. Add about 2 grams salt. Now slowly add the water bit by bit. Don't add the water at once. For me, the 90 milliliters of water is just enough. So don't add a lot of water because we need to make the braids. Knead this about 10 to 15 minutes until it's soft, smooth and elastic. So the bread dough is ready, and this should be the texture. And leave this in a greased bowl in a warm place to double in size. The dough is ready for the orange custard bread. Put some flour onto the bench and take the dough, punch down. Cut the dough into 4 equal parts. Take one part out, press down and make balls and leave it aside. After, take one part out, press down, and using a rolling pin, roll it to a rectangular shape. After, cut from the middle, then cut each part to 3. Leave them aside and take one, put one in the middle and then put one on top Then take the other one and put it on top of this dough piece like this. Now same way, put one on top, underneath, and the other one on top. Take the orange custard, it's already set, so slowly take it out from the paper and put it in the middle like this. Take one piece and the other piece and put it to the middle like this, and bring all of them inwards and like this. Press down and turn it over. You can make them like this, or you can use trays like this and make rounds. So if you put it in a tray, it will become a round shape. If not, you can have this in a square tray and make it like a square too. So I'm going to put this on trays now. So I'm going to do it a bit closer to you, and take one bowl out, press down, then roll it to a rectangular or a square shape. When you roll it, you need to give your weight onto the rolling pin, so then it's easy to roll. After, cut the dough into halves, then divide that into 3 parts. Then again the other one into 3. So one will be smaller, so if you drag it, it will become longer again. Now put one in the middle, hope you can see it properly now, and put the other one like this. Then one on top and the other one on top too. So make it a bit closer, and then take the other one, put one on top, then one under, then one top again like this. The same way, put one on top and take the bottom one up and under. So that's ready. Now let's put the custard. Take the orange custard and put it in the middle. Now let's do the other part. When you do this, make sure that you tuck them together. If not, it will come out once it start proofing again. So tuck under. So bring it inwards and the other one inwards. Tuck all them together and bring the other one and bring this inwards. Next, inwards, inwards, and bring the others up. So tuck all together with the other dough and put it upside down like this. The orange custard bread is ready, double in size. Now I'm going to brush it with egg yolk and bake this on 180 Celsius about 20 minutes. Orange custard bread, and this is how it looks like. I just took it out from the oven and it's just hold the shape. So it's a really soft spongy bun that you can try to go nice cup